All right. Yo, what up?
Are you Anthony Bassi?
Yo, I'm Tony Bassi, a big-time producer, director, and a fantastic actor all the way from the United States, man. So what up?
I'm your ride. Can you come in?
Yo, you my ride? Yo, you my ride. That's great. You my ride, man. I got it. You want me coming? Who gonna take this, man?
I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you? Man, you better watch it. What's wrong with you? You take my bag, man. You take this to the trunk. God damn it.
Come.
Yo, where you going? Who's gonna open the goddamn door, man?
I'm sorry,
Where you gonna open the goddamn door?
I'm sorry.
There you go again. Where you going, man? Who's gonna shut the door? Who's gonna shut the door? Man, you stay right here. Shut the door. Yo! Yeah, I'm in Nollywood right now, man. I'm in Nigeria. Yeah, you know, man, I told you about Jay-Z. Jay-Z wanted me to way back in the state because of what I don't know, man. I told you, yeah. I was with Kevin Hart. You know Kevin Hart? Yeah, that's my nigga. We might do some stuff together very soon, man. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna call you back, man. I'm gonna call you back. Woo! That's big. Yo, Vicky, what up? Vicky, what up? Where you at? Yeah, you know, I told you about my movie, man. Yeah, I just sold it. $100 million, man. Money everywhere. Yeah, I'm in Nigeria. Yeah, $100 million. And right now, I'm a paint the town red. With my paint the town red, with my club tonight, baby. Yeah, $100 million. Yeah, I'm here to make another one. I'm gonna make another movie right away. Yo, baby. You must pay my money. Yeah. All right, babe. I'm gonna call you back. Babe. Love you. Yo, Philip, I'm gonna tell you this. You know, you're my favorite agent, right? Yeah, I need some property. You know, I just sold my movie $100 million, man. I'm back in Nigeria. I'm gonna acquire some property. Yeah, I got buy a hotel. No, in the GRA, a big hotel. So look for any hotel, any good one. I'm gonna spend money on it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it and renovate it. All right. And also, I need some cars, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be needing a Benz. GLE. Yeah, GLE. I need two. One for my baby, one for my mommy, and one for me. That's three. Yeah. It was a mistake. I said I need two. One for my baby, one for my mommy, and one for me. That's three. All right, man. You gotta call me back very soon, okay? Wow. We must spend some good cash right here. Nigeria. Yo, man, how you doing, man? Keep driving. You keep looking at me like that, man. I don't trust you. It's crap. I don't know why my uncle got sent this goddamn fucking car to come pick me up, man. This is shit. It's not my standard, man.
Boss, this car, now you call scrap.
Yo.
I never drive this car for more than 10 years. I never build that marry. I beg go, not be scrap, boss.
You mean it? You mean you drive one car for the past 10 years? That's shit, man. I don't do that. I don't do that, man.
Bros, and Naija will do. Now to the hustle, and the hustle.
Man, keep moving, man. Keep moving, man. Whoa, what up? You mean it? I love what I see. Man, you got pullover. That's my spec there, man. That's my spec. A big-time filmmaker, director, and a fantastic actor, all the way from the United States. How you doing, babe?
I'm good. I'm
Man,
Christabel.
you're Christabel.
Yeah.
That's great.
Nice
What
to
is?
meet
Is this
you.
for real?
Yes.
Your tattoo. Man, I love tattoo.
I don't like Nigeria stuff.
What's your own? Sit
Hello.
back.
And you got another one?
Yeah, I do.
You know, I'm a big-time filmmaker, and I got back from the United States, man. I got a lot of money spent on you.
I like
How about
that.
that?
I like
Man,
that.
she likes me. You know, I told you about that.
They like this kind of
She's
stuff.
my spec, man. You my spec, man. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm gonna spoil you with a little cash, man. You wanna eat my money? Hey, man, what is this? Hey, take it easy. Come on, move. Take it easy, man. What is shit? What the fuck are you doing, man? Take it easy. Hey, man. What is that? Take it easy, man.
Tell you just now.
Who's drinking, man? I don't like walking.
Ross, touch her. Ross, grip her.
Yo, man, stop that shit. It's painful, man. Man, what you doing, man?
Get up your mouth.
Ow, you don't do that. That's my phone.
Wait, you want that?
Check the last call.
You
Look
just
at-
say
you
una
want me
play
call-
with the
Say,
play for you.
Call her. Find number, make you call for them.
Just dey pray, make your phone not off.
You know,
Not just you.
Jesse.
From America.
Give me. Oh, what up?
Give her.
What up?
I call Jesse.
Ian. Oh.
You know, say me, I know the American accent now. If you swear.
We dey run her now.
Jay-Z?
We don't hammer.
No.
Will you keep quiet? Yo, man.
Hey, yo, Jay-Z, what's up on the west side? Yo.
That's so, man.
You saw it?
Hey, Jay-Z.
Mechanic.
Yo, my uncle's mechanic.
You think say we dey play, yeah? You want use us play?
You the place? Huh? You the man?
Oh, yo, I'm sorry, man. You don't do that. I'm from the state, man.
So no be Jesse.
Hey.
No,
See, na kidnap you.
I know.
In the name of God, I take kidnap you. In the name of God, give me my ransom. Eh? Yo, man.
Yo, bro.
I'm not there for this, yo, man. Where you there? In the name of God, now I take kidnap you. In the name of God, give me my ransom. Yo, man. I don't have a yo, man. See, I don't have to tell you, the day I start to speak my language, you don't understand my language, oh.
Yo, minute.
See, check all the last calls. Call everybody. Yo, man.
Yo, bro.
Yo, man.
Yo. Oh, hold up. Yo.
Boss, now Israel.
Yo, Israel got my money. Bring Israel right here, man. He got my money.
Will you keep quiet?
Israel got my money, man.
Will you keep quiet?
Chair, switch off.
Oh,
Oh, boy, you're Israel help.
Israel's out of town.
Hey.
Shit.
Hello.
Israel help.
Israel Israel.
Israel.
It's all time, man.
You go off now.
Switched off.
I told you it's all time.
Switched off. Yo, man.
Yo, bro.
Yo, man.
Yo.
See, you think that I dey follow you dey play? Now I kidnap you. I kidnap you.
I got you.
Give me my ransom.
You don't mean it.
Give me my ransom.
All the risk we take, for this boy.
Okay. All this is gold with their body.
No, you don't touch my gold, man.
Are you mad?
Cover your mouth.
Man, I bought my silver from Texas. I bought that. Yo, man, I bought this from New York, man.
I go break
Oh my God, I got that from South Africa. You don't do that. I got it in dollars, man.
Everything. Take off everything.
Those my 52 carat.
Will you keep quiet?
Yo, bro. Those my gold. Those my silver, man. You taking all my shit, man. Oh, God damn it. Damn. You don't do that. I spent a lot of cash on that. No. You took my first stack, man. You took my first stack.
Don't lost anyone, no. There's one on the floor.
Man, they got my first stack. Man, they got my first stack.
Come on, man.
Ah!
See her fool.
Give me your good and kill you. Nothing for
Careful me in the floor.
Speak up for that.
I'm losing assets.
For losing our gold, though, me anyone who lost.
Yo, man. Look me.
Yo.
I don't say no, they see me.
Yo.
Yo, man. You don't say anything pre, yo, man. So this gold now, so to matter now, you move. You will say like on.
No, you ain't say my God. You ain't say my God, please.
But we go come now.
Yo, man. Yo, man.
Oh, my God. Oh, all right, give my first stack. I need my first stack.
Shut up.
Man, I need my first-
Yo, man. See, okay, na kidnap you.
I got you.
And I need my ransom.
Oh, all right, give my first stack. I need my first stack. You took my first stack.
You keep quiet. I better check this here bad.
No, that's my privacy, man. You don't get my bag. That's my privacy.
Shut up.
Paka come out.
That's my privacy, man.
Privacy for all this rubbish.
Oga, shut up.
Okay.
Give me the phone.
Chairman, before.
Me and Sichen.
That's my hard drive.
Chen, have phone.
That's my hard drive.
They never push screen.
That ain't
Hard
phone.
drive.
That ain't phone. That's my hard drive.
I hope say this man don't want to settle us up.
That's my hard drive right now. You got my hard drive. I got my movie right there. I shot in 3 different locations, man. I shot in India, and I shot in Afghanistan, and I shot in Nigeria, man.
You keep quiet.
How much they said?
I told you I got my movie. My movie's worth $100 million right there, man.
$100 million.
Let's actually check the content. If it's what it's saying, Akasha. We'll check him now.
The content
We'll check him.
for the film.
Yes.
Yo, I got my movie there. I got my film.
So that means a what?
He was.
You shoot film inside.
Yo,
That means the ransom go
He
big.
go big now, Chairman.
yo, I got my movie right there, man. I told you that.
So you mean say the film inside?
If he do, we'll check him.
How much you talk?
I got $100 million right there, man.
$100 million.
$100 million.
Yo,
That's your money go long there. Your money go long.
you don't mean it.
Yo man. I tell you, I'll speak language. You say me you understand? You understand?
Yo, bro.
Yo man.
Hello?
Give me. Hello? You say waiting?
Chairman, wait till we talk.
What are you doing right now? What are you up to?
Huh? Not be fake gold.
What up?
Na aluminium. Make we all out.
Hey, you hold me? No. You're gonna let me go. Let me go.
We don't just kidnap and not kidnapper. Aluminium.
You gonna let me go?
Say, I don't kill you. Stop that gun.
Yo, my guy. No. Yo, man. What up?
Leave it. Yo, man.
Yo.
You just don't play.
No, I ain't joking, man. Yo, bro.
We thought you're man.
Yo, bro.
Now, aluminium you put on there.
Check.
I beg.
Yo.
In the name of God, I won't kill him.
No.
I won't kill this boy.
Hold up.
Give me. Say, I want you to cut to him.
Chairman, this guy a Benin boy.
Oviedo where he.
Obiadoki, I'm a Benin boy, brother, beg.
Bad market, Chairman.
I'm a Benin boy, I'm Obiadoki. Obi, you come here, carry, brother. Brother, me beg, brother.
For all the risk where we take.
Hey, yo, Mebo.
Hey, yo, rock man, la package.
I tell you no waste at that time. I tell you no waste this guy that time.
Oh, in my America there, I don't go America. Na Europe I go, la brother. Now, see, brother, hey, now you tell you the truth. 17 years now, day where I follow Libya enter Europe. And I don't spend 15 years for there. All my life savings. I can't come back now. My mama advised me, oh, my mama say make a balance, make a build house, I not here. Now his record tell me, say, I go do film. Now the money on my life savings, now I got to do the drama when they did this thing. As I don't finish all the million I spend, they say they want to buy the drama for 600,000. Brother, you can see what I don't pass through. So, as I come down, now my uncle come say, that your junior brother, sorry, that your friend, maybe driver, make her carry me. I couldn't think and say, okay, my uncle want look whether I still get money. Now say make I package. A package is jail, brother.
What package?
You not pass like that.
In America. A Jesse.
Jesse, mechanic, you know. Jesse, my uncle mechanic.
All the roro, you're wrong.
Brother, lao.
Me never kidnap you where?
Brother, not too vex now, beg.
What useless?
I mean useless pass, I understand. Brother, help me beg, brother, now. Sister talk, put now, beg.
Imagine. Tom.
Don't be much more than that. Brother, Grace. Brother, wait, brother. Hey!
Yo, man.